We're Iz and Kyle, and in August of 2021, we bought a 600 square foot off-grid cabin in Vermont. With no running water or electricity, it's just us, the woods, and our little home.
We're hopeful that thoughtful intentions bring simplicity to the center of each day, lighting the way for the two of us to focus our minds on the most important aspects of life, enjoying moments with friends and family, and being present with everything surrounding us, full of times for the memory bank.
Deciding to live off the grid doesn't mean that we have to leave all amenities in the dust. We're figuring out how to make all of our systems work with ease as we go, and first on the docket is to install solar. We'll be using a variety of Goal Zero products, all powered by their 3.5-day home integration kit, which includes the Yeti 6000X and 4 Yeti tank expansion batteries. We'll be integrating 8 Boulder 100 solar panels on our roof, giving us 800 watts of power.
Functioning electricity will allow us to illuminate our home, improve food storage, work from the cabin, and most importantly, work on the cabin. With all the hours we'll be spending this summer and fall renovating this space, easily powering tools makes this endeavor an entirely different experience.
There we go.
Our rooftop solar array connects seamlessly to a chain of accessible batteries in the center of our home. With the charge controller and Yeti link, we can simultaneously charge our power system and back up with ease. This new addition to our home changes everything.
Follow our 5-part series over the coming months as we utilize Goal Zero's products to power daily life.